Good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1,520th installment of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. Oscar Carboni here. This video, the 1,520th, is coming to you on Tuesday night for Trading Wednesday, September 14th, 2016. Remember, traders, futures trading is extremely risky, can cause substantial financial loss. Volatility is expanding, which means wins are expanding and losers are expanding. So you need to know this. You need to know that a stop is your best friend in this industry, and this game is certainly not suitable for all traders. If you do not have risk capital to lose, watch what you're doing in the futures industry. Tough game if you don't know what you're doing. All right, for you traders who do know what you're doing, we're going to start the session off with a red OMNI in the emini S&P. Yesterday, by the way, for you traders who are following me on YouTube only and don't come to the live trading room, and it's a free live trading room, you don't recognize something because I can tell by some of your comments that you think whatever I say in this video, whatever that arrow is, that we're stuck in the mud and that's all that we're going to do the next day. But you have to recognize I am a professional doing this for 35 years. I don't stand in front of freight trains. So if we put out an arrow and the day starts off and the arrow ends up wrong, many times we handle the trades by either reversing or going to another market. So the only way you'll really know what we do each day is to come to the live trading room and see how we handle these trades. I offer recommendations live to you as they happen, as we're getting in, as we're getting out, a suggestion about putting in stops, when to cancel your orders. We work with you until the entire trade is done. I offer my OMNI trading recommendations out to the public. Come to livewithoscar.com. Find out for yourselves what we do there live, because I cannot be held to just an arrow. You know, tonight it's 17 hours before what's going to happen tomorrow. I don't know what's going to happen for sure. We're starting off with the arrow. We'll see where that goes. Yesterday, in fact, on Tuesday, we started off with a buy in the NASDAQ and a buy in the S&P. We got blessed and got out of the NASDAQ with a profit. S&P stopped us out, but then Omni reversed and went short NASDAQ, and we had a great day in the NASDAQ, and we sold gold, and we had a great day in gold, but you can't tell by staring at an arrow. So come on down to livewithoscar.com and allow me to show you how we handle these trades professionally live as the market wiggles around. Enough of that. Gunfight at the OTAPMA Corral. What is OTAPMA? It is OMNI Trading Academy's proprietary moving average, and you're going to see charts that will tell you we are absolutely at a gunfight at the OTAPMA Corral. And then we've got wheat flagging again. Wait till I show you that. Traders, with no further ado, I'll meet you at livewithoscar.com. Let's go look at some charts. Okay, traders, gunfight at the OTAPMA Corral. What does that mean? Well, I'll show you this chart. I'll show you a couple others, and I think you'll get the theme here. However, the market, remember we were in our F flag, and it finally got F'd, and we came down to OTAPMA. OMNI Trading Academy's proprietary moving average, bounced off of it, but came right back down to it again on Tuesday, and it is starting to look slightly like what we're seeing here could be a pennant flag or a bear pennant flag building. Strangely, because we had some quick down days, but right there at OTAPMA. Let's see what's going to happen. We're going to start off selling rallies and see if it drops down. We're going to be nimble, but that's how we're going to start this day. But then you go to the tranny traders. You got this huge flag at OTAPMA, at the bottom of the flag, in some kind of a small channel. Look at this channel. So we're in some kind of a small channel. We hit the top of this pennant flag, but we had some kind of a small false breakout up there. That's an interesting thing. What will happen at OTAPMA is going to be very, very telling for what comes next. You keep your eyes peeled on this. Come to livewithoscar.com so I can help you out. Then you go to the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and once again, all over OTAPMA. Is this gunfight at the OTAPMA Corral? I say yes. Then there's this. It just continues on. Look at the 30-year T-bonds. Does not get past OTAPMA. All the way back here, or back there, or back there, and all the way back. So, but I could fit this on your screen. Couldn't get under it here again. Couldn't get under it here again. Couldn't get under it here again. Got under it here. And look what happened next. So we are at this spot in all of our indices. We're at this spot in something that did break the OMNI Trading Academy's proprietary moving average. Interesting to see what will come next. Come join me at livewithoscar.com. We'll see what happens. And then we've got this, traders. Look at the wheat. Now, I have been using this wheat chart for I cannot tell you how long, because there have been little bear flags and big bear flags building all over it all the way down. All the way down. This thing has produced flags. So now you have another nice flag right here, big breakdown, and if you ask me what this chart really is this. It's the same chart drawn up a little further, another bear flag right here, like that one, like the many before it. So it looks to me, especially if the dollar index goes up again on Wednesday, wheat should finally stop, this flag should finally start producing some downside in your wheat. Traders, that's what I wanted to show you. Come on down to livewithoscar.com. I'll see you there. Okay, traders, there you have it. Gunfight at the OTAPMA Corral. You've seen it for yourselves. And wheat flagging again. Should be interesting for the rest of this week. Traders, Omniacs, you came out to Omni Camp, Omni Campers. Was that not magical? I mean, that was a fantastic 4 days. I really, really enjoyed teaching you cats. I seen your video testimonials. Oh my God, that was so heartfelt. I thank you. My family thanks you. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you, gentlemen. What a great time we had. I hope you feed your families for the rest of your lives. Well done. All right. Traders, I'll see the rest of you at livewithoscar.com. Don't forget, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things, in my opinion, you can do to help yourselves with that is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll. livewithoscar.com. I will see you there. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.